Okay, so I've gotten a few requests for a video where I show off my map editor and the action editor, so I'm just gonna do that. So I need to start the server up first. And there we go. So this is the game editor. It's an editor extension of Unity. So this actually connects to the, oh, ignore that. This connects to the server in the background, so that we can draw on the map in real time. So here we have it, the game editor. We can draw. We can change brush size. Yeah. So this is basically how we will create the entire world. You can delete and you can add. Okay, so you have different types of objects you can place. We have the doodads. Oh, let's do this. Doodads, you can place them in different directions, either random or a specific direction. Okay, you can delete. You can select multiple objects and it will place, yeah, random ones. Let's close that one. If you don't have anything selected, you can select things and edit them, like the name. And this is what I'm currently working on, so it's a work in progress. But the tiles is where I'm pretty much done. So if you select the tile, you can mark it as walkable or not walkable. This will update on the server as well. Well, everything is on the server, so yeah. Tile triggers. This tile. Let's pick a tile. Let's pick this tile. It has no triggers, so now we want something to happen when we enter the tile. Then we add a tile trigger. That's on enter, and we edit it. This is the newly created action editor. So this is the on enter action, on enter tile action. Well, on enter tile trigger. And here are the conditions for this trigger and the actions. We have no conditions or no actions. So all the conditions needs to be met for the actions to trigger. So basically we can add let's add a random. These are the classes that I made. This will be filled in later, but yeah. Random trigger condition, we can add a random trigger condition. So let's set a 85%. We say that. So now it's an 85% chance to trigger. We could also add another one, or maybe entity health condition. So if the entity health is higher than 15, now both of these has to be true for the actions to trigger. So what do we want to happen when we walk on this tile and this is true? Well, we have these actions for now. Not all these actions are actually for tiles. Some of them are for conversations and for items. So if we use this filter and we type entity, we will get all the actions that has something to do with entities. So let's do an entity say. We add this. We get a entity say action. We can change this. Well, let's just keep it on hello world. So now, if we were to exit edit mode and we were to walk on this tile, we have basically an 85% chance to say hello world. Yeah, okay, that works. So let's go back into edit mode. maybe we want to damage the entity. We want to play. Let's play an animation. Oh no, no. Let's do something else. Let's teleport. So we can teleport the play to, let's say, 551, which is here somewhere. We can select what effect we want to play from the tile that we exit and on the tile that we enter. So let's just keep it on defaults for now. You save this, and here you see short descriptions of what is happening, so you can get an easy overlook of what's going on. Okay, so we have saved that. We work on this tile. Yeah. Oh. Oh. This is actually the 551 tile. So let's do like a 881. So we don't teleport to the same tile. Oof. But we shouldn't get that every time. No. So it's an 85% chance. Yeah. So it works. So that is basically how the entire world will be created. Hopefully not only by me. And you can have multiple actions with different conditions. So this is one. We can have another on enter tile where we have different conditions, and then that can trigger yeah, entity name. Okay, whatever. So that's what I'm working on. Well, basically that's done. I'm going to add more types of triggers, but the major work is already done, so it's basically just adding. Like an interval, I want to have happening at different intervals on tiles and do that and stuff. So I'm working on the same thing now for doodad. So when we add a trigger, we want to have like on use doodad or on enter doodad, because some doodads are actually not blocking, so like these cross things. So you can have different things triggering when you walk on them. Yeah, that's what I'm working on, and well, yeah. Please feel free to send me a message on YouTube if you have any questions, or just comment, and I will try to answer them the best that I can. Have a great day.